Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we off find my device in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to find my device in Vivo phone, so you can off easily. In this video I will tell you guys how can you off. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it and come on guys security. This security setting guys you can see in your Vivo phone. Guys tap here, then guys click on second find my device tab, then guys use find my device, then guys off. So after all guys you can see this type of functions. So guys find my device will off in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.